Good day. This is Gracia Fania Maria, CCU UAF 2025-0009. Indonesia's parliament has nearly doubled its recess allowance for lawmakers, intensifying public backlash after weeks of protests over government spending. The House of Representatives approved the increase from 400 million to 700 million rupiah per session, effective this month, according to a statement from the House leadership. Crowds gathered outside Jakarta's parliament complex earlier this week, carrying banners calling for greater transparency and a freeze on legislative benefits. Deputy Speaker Sufmi Dasko Ahmad stated that this is not a race, but a policy adjustment within existing budget allocations. However, according to the Indonesian parliamentary watchdog Formapi, the decision shows a disconnect between lawmakers and public concerns about economic inequality. The Legislative Secretariat explained that the allowance is administered by internal budget rules and adjusted for inflation, not personal requests from lawmakers. A single session now costs the state around 406 billion rupiah in total allowances, based on 5 recess sessions per year and 580 members. Supporters say the increase is necessary to match rising prices and travel expenses, but critics warn it could further erode public trust in government institutions. As the debate continues, activists are calling for a comprehensive review of parliamentary spending to restore accountability. This is Gracia Fania Maria reporting from Medan.